Welcome to Jerusalem Balcony and Garden Design, where we transform your vision into breathtaking outdoor living spaces. At J Gardens, we believe your outdoor space in Jerusalem should be an extension of your home and personality. It all begins with you. We sit down for a personalized consultation to deeply understand your desires, lifestyle, and the unique potential of your space. Once we understand your vision, our expert designers craft a custom plan that brings your dream outdoor space to life, blending aesthetics with functionality. Our skilled team then meticulously builds and installs every element, ensuring precision, quality, and a seamless execution of your design. But our commitment doesn't end there. We offer comprehensive monthly maintenance to keep your outdoor oasis looking pristine year-round. From vibrant flower beds to well-maintained plants, our gardening services ensure your plants thrive and your garden balcony or rooftop remains a paradise. If you have a pool, enjoy crystal clear waters without the hassle. Our professional pool maintenance service handles everything from cleaning to chemical balancing. Beyond specific tasks, we provide general space care, ensuring every corner of your outdoor area is tidy, well-maintained, and ready for you to enjoy. Ready to transform your outdoor living? Contact us at jgardens.co.il today for a consultation, and let's create the outdoor space you've always dreamed of. www.jgardens.co.il